What if we could do that? Rewind time itself, take back every wrinkle, every tired cell, every creaky joint, and just stop aging. Today, we'll see how close science actually is to pausing the body's clock, and what happens if we ever hit rewind. Aging isn't just wrinkles and bad knees. It's the single biggest risk factor for nearly every disease: cancer, heart failure, and dementia. Stop that and you'd save more lives than curing all those diseases combined. For most of human history, the question wasn't how to stop aging, but how to survive long enough for it to matter. In 1800, average life expectancy in Britain was about 40 years. Now it's over 81. We doubled our time, mostly by conquering infections and improving hygiene. So the next frontier isn't living longer, it's living younger. Scientists call that healthspan, the years you feel spry enough to chase the bus and your grandchildren. So what exactly is aging? If you think of every cell as a tiny factory, over time the machinery wears out. DNA accumulates typos, mitochondria get smoky, and repair systems will go on a tea break. So by your 30s, the damage has already outweighed the repair. It's downhill from there, albeit a very polite British slope. Scientists have pinned aging down to roughly 9 hallmarks, from telomere shortening to cellular senescence. Telomeres are like shoelace tips protecting our DNA. Each cell division trims them shorter until eventually the lace frays. And senescent cells, they're zombie cells. They're alive, but they're useless. All they do is leak inflammation that makes their neighbours miserable. Researchers at places like Harvard and Cambridge study ways to clear those zombies out. Enter senolytics, drugs that target and remove worn-out cells in mice, making their fur shinier and their lifespans longer. And then there's the Yamanaka factors. These are 4 genes that can rewind adult cells to a youthful state. If you apply these too strongly, you get chaos, but if you use them gently, they seem to rejuvenate the tissue. So, the blueprint actually exists, but the trick is doing it safely and on humans. We're now going to talk about some myths and some facts. So, myth number 1. There's a secret anti-aging pill hidden by Big Pharma. Fact, if it existed, they'd sell it faster than you could say youth serum. So you want to know the truth. Aging isn't just one single switch to flip. It's thousands of little switches and a few broken fuses. So I know what you're thinking. What if we really could rewind aging? Science says, well, maybe not yet, but we can slow it down with movement, with sleep, and with the simple decision not to waste the time that we have. So maybe immortality isn't about living forever, but it's about living better. I've been the voice of Thinkverse. If this made you think, give it a like. And remember, what if we never stopped thinking? This is Thinkverse.